This conference will now be recorded.
QA is the quality assurance, the process or set of processes used to measure the quality of a product. The process where QA ensures the product meets the customer expectations or not. And Selenium is a free automated testing framework used to validate web applications across different browsers and platforms. You can use multiple programming languages like Java, C#, Python, Perl, Ruby, PHP to create Selenium test scripts. Now, whatever the language you are good in, that language you can prefer to create the test scripts. Now, let us move on with the agenda of QA and Selenium session. Now, this agenda includes the objectives, prerequisites, and learning takeaway, and followed by what is software testing, methods of software testing like manual and automation we are going to discuss, and about automation tools. The tools which we are going to discuss are Quality Center, Quick Test Professional, and also Selenium. And job aspects for QA and Selenium testers, course contents, and the certification, its details. Now let us move on what actually the QA includes. See, this course is designed to provide the complete knowledge of how to test a software by implementing manual and automation techniques. Okay, and prerequisites, as QA is all about manual and automation testing, and it is not mandatory to have a programming knowledge. Suppose if you have a basic knowledge, then it is well enough. If it is not there, then we will be learning the basics of programming language first, and then we will get into the advanced part of automation. So programming is needed only when you are doing automation testing. Now, learning takeaway. At the end of the program, participants will be able to master in how to create manual and automation scripts, working with various automation tools like QC, QTP, and Selenium. Learn how to interact with various external resources. Like we will work with text files, we will learn how to read data from the text files, Excel files, and also from the backend database for doing data-driven testing using QTP and Selenium. And we will also work on various user-defined and predefined frameworks like keyword-driven framework, data-driven framework, modular framework, hybrid framework, and we will also learn about the predefined frameworks which we are going to cover under Selenium, like TestNG, Maven, and also Cucumber. Now, moving to the next topic, that is software testing. So software testing is an activity to check whether the actual results matches the expected results or not, and to ensure the software system is defect-free. Now to do this, it involves the execution of software component. Software testing also helps to identify errors, gaps, or missing requirements in contrary to the actual requirements. It can be either done manually or using automation tools. Now let us move on to the next topic, that is advantages of software testing. To describe, there are many advantages. Just I listed out the important one. Cost effective. It is one of the important advantage of software testing. Testing any IT project on time helps you to save your money for the long term. In case if the bugs caught in the earlier stage of software testing, it costs less to fix. Okay, this is one of the best advantage of software testing. Now next, security. Nowadays security is very important. It is the most vulnerable and sensitive benefit of software testing. People are looking for trusted products nowadays. It helps in removing risk and problems. Product quality. It is an essential requirement of any software product. By testing, we are ensuring a quality of the product which is delivered to the customers. And the most important advantage is customer satisfaction. So the main aim of any product is to give satisfaction to their customers. So this will be the main objective of QA right from the beginning. Now let us move on to the methods of software testing. So as we already discussed, we are going to cover manual and automation testing. And in the manual testing, we are going to learn how to test a software manually. Okay, now this requires a tester to play the role of an end user, whereby they use most of the application's features to ensure the correct behavior of an application. And automation means using an automation tool to execute your test case suite. So we will be we'll be creating test cases, we'll be executing. Okay, we will learn how to track and manage the defects using manual as well as automation. Now the automation software can also enter test data into the system under test automatically, compare expected and actual results, and generate detailed reports automatically. And what are all the job aspects for QA and Selenium testers? Now the participants will be able to create test cases or create test scripts using different tools. They can review and analyze system specifications like FRS, BRS documents by themselves. They can execute test cases manually and also execute the test cases automatically and analyze the results. Create logs to document testing phases and defects. They can also report bugs and errors to the development team. They help troubleshoot issues, and they work with different cross-functional teams to ensure the quality throughout the software development lifecycle. Now let us move on to the course contents. Now during the course, we are learning manual testing and automation tools. Now in manual testing, we are learning in depth about SDLC, STLC, SDLC models like waterfall, fish model, V model, agile model, and we also discuss about how to create requirements traceability matrix document. And automation tools, Quality Center, QTP, and Selenium. Now, for every tester, certification is a plus point. Okay, the ISTQB certified tester program provides certification for software testers internationally. Now, this includes two levels of certification. The foundation level, which includes only one module, and the advanced level certification, which includes three modules. An expert level is currently being developed. Now, ISTQB certified tester is a standardized qualification for software testers, and the certification is offered by ISTQB. Thank you.